corresponds to a picture that is number 5. Number 5, please. That's the Campo Santo in San Joaquin.
Have you been there? Canada number 2? But I think,
No, not
just looking
yet.
at it, I think we could do something to promote it. And I think that's our
Alright.
job tonight. Let's do it.
Iloilo has an intriguing ecotourism site in the region. Many churches like the Campo Santo San Joaquin in the province has the possible and the potential to promote and have this tourism in our region. And its location, unique location, gives us and makes it as a commercial, cultural, and intellectual center for Western Visayas. So no matter what you choose to explore, it has to be Iloilo. Thank you.
All right, thank you